Current GPUs today are deployed with AC power fed in, conversion at the rack level to 50 volts DC, and that's how we get to operation at a GB200, GB300, choose your GPU type of performance today. And then from a rack density perspective, we highlighted this. We're at 140 kilowatts today on the frontier. We are quickly moving to 200 and 240. We see 600 on the horizon, and we are talking about racks that are over a megawatt. Whether that's a single wide or a double wide, whether you choose your kind of profile for a rack, the short answer is we are seeing density that is now approaching what I will call the physical and physics limits of delivering power into a space and delivering that amount of connectors, bus bars, copper, wire capacity into a constrained physical space. That density is happening to unlock performance. That performance needs to happen to enable tokens per second. And so this isn't we're driving density because it's fun, it's a unique challenge. We are driving the density to unlock that performance, and that has significant effect and implication for how the power system and the powertrain needs to be defined and designed.